Hello, gorgeous. If you are realistic, you can leave now. Only the delusional ones stay. Only the women who know reality bends for them belong in this space. This audio is a beauty state and money activation for your ultra-rich, gorgeous, and highest timeline. Right now, you are stepping into the version of you who is already beautiful and rich. And there is a version of you in the multiverse who lives like this as her normal. The aligned actions that match this state will reveal themselves to you naturally. Trust God and trust the process. Repeat this daily and watch your beauty, bank account, and standards transform. Everything I want wants me harder, and I always get what I want. My desires are obsessed with me. My manifestations chase me down. Reality rearranges to deliver what matches my standards. I am delusional in the best way. I hold assumptions that sit far above my current 3D. I play in a field where impossible is just the minimum entry requirement. Every day deeper into this state, my life becomes more obviously mine. Everything I want wants me harder, and I always get what I want. My bank account resembles my beauty. My balance is full and gorgeous to look at. My bills are paid with disrespectful ease. Money loves the way I live. So money loves to stay. I have so much wealth that spoiling myself daily is just how life works for me. Luxurious products, beautiful spaces, rich experiences. Every pound, euro, dollar, and cryptocurrency I spend on myself multiplies in my field. My wealth and my beauty amplify each other at the same time. I have generous cash flow and generous standards. Indulgence fits me perfectly. Investing in my beauty, my pleasure, and my peace feel like alignment. Every luxurious choice I make for myself shows up again in my income. Everything I want wants me harder, and I always get what I want. My reflection resembles my inner love affairs. I am dripping in my own adoration. There is a softness, a glow, and a calm power in my eyes that is borderline shocking. I look like someone who knows exactly who she is. My relationships align with my standards. I am the woman people feel honored to love, to know, and to support. Every connection in my world reflects the value I claim for myself. Only devotion, respect, and generosity are allowed near me. Everything I want wants me harder, and I always get what I want. I am so obviously gorgeous, so obviously valuable, so obviously high value, that what is meant for me arrives because it genuinely enjoys being in my orbit. All I have to do is decide I am worth it, and everything rises to meet me. I am visibly and energetically exquisite. Beauty, wealth, and love all adore me, and my reality keeps rearranging to make that more and more obvious. The spell is active. The state is installed. The timeline is open. It is done.